Imagine a Porsche so rare, so deeply connected to the brand's DNA, that it feels less like a car and more like a personal letter from Porsche's past to its future. This is the 2027 Porsche 911 GT3 90FA Porsche, a limited edition masterpiece Visually, the car speaks in a quiet, confident tone. The standout FA green metallic paint is inspired by a classic 911 once owned by Ferdinand Alexander Porsche himself. It's elegant, timeless, and unmistakably Porsche. Inside, the story continues. The interior fabrics and This car isn't just meant to be admired in a collection, it's meant to be driven hard. And Porsche didn't stop at the car itself. Owners also receive an exclusive Porsche Design Chronograph 1 watch and a custom Weekender travel bag, both designed to reflect FA Porsche's minimalist philosophy. It's a complete experience, not just ownership, but participation in Porsche history. Exclusivity? Absolutely. Only 90 examples of this GT3 will ever exist, one for each year of Ferdinand Alexander Porsche's life. One of those cars is already reserved for Mark Porsche himself, making the remaining few among the most desirable modern 911s ever created. As expected, this level of craftsmanship and heritage comes at a price. The GT3 90FA Porsche starts at around $387,000, placing it far above a standard GT3. But this isn't about numbers or resale value. This is about owning a piece of Porsche's soul. The 2027 Porsche 911 GT3 90FA Porsche is not just another limited edition. It's a reminder of where Porsche came from and why the 911 continues to be one of the most emotionally powerful sports cars ever built. If you believe cars should tell stories, not just post lap times, this GT3 might be one of the most meaningful Porsches of our time. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most special 911s ever created, like the video, subscribe to Future Wheels, and turn on notifications so you never miss what's coming next. Let me know in the comments, would you drive this GT3 or keep it preserved forever? Until next time, stay driven.